Imagine me with my head on your shoulder and you with your lips getting bolder. A sky full of moon and a sweet mellow tune. I'll buy that dream. Imagine you in a gown white and flowery, and me thanking Dad for your dowry. A church full of folks and those last